Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sona English Academy. My name is Sona and I'm from UP. So today is the 6th day of my challenge, 30 days challenge, as I have taken 30 days challenge that I will upload daily one video and I will be telling you how to improve your spoken, as I am here to improve my spoken, and you will also learn with me. So I have taken that I will improve my spoken, I will reach the fluency to that level where I can sound like a native speaker, right? So today is the 6th day and we are going to discuss about vocabulary building, because vocabulary, the words, when we are the beginner, we always fall short of words. We don't get words, enough words, right? So as in the beginning, at the initial stage, we don't have many vocabulary words, so we always try to learn and cram lots of words at one go. This is the real mistake. There is no need to learn lots of words in one go. This is the biggest mistake we all do. I also did commit the same mistake. When I was the beginner, I used to cram lots of words in one go, but at the end of using them, my mind got blank. We don't remember the words which we cram at the time of speaking. So from now onwards, stop learning, stop cramming vocabulary, lots of bundle of vocabulary words at one time, right? I'm just asking you, I'm just going to tell you that you just have to learn only 2 words a day, and that too, that they are not to be crammed, because cramming can be done, but using cannot be done if we only do cramming. We don't use them. So the best way to build the vocabulary is to use them. If we don't use them, we lose them, right? And the best way, I'm just going to tell you the best way how to remember the word at the time of speaking, right? So we are going to have only 2 words, and that is also not from dictionary and Google. No need to search yourself. First of all, subscribe 2 or 3 channel which are based on vocabulary, right? Because lots of channels are there which only tells you vocabulary. So they are the best, because they are the people who search the best words and to tell us to tell on the channel. So don't work hard on finding the words. Just subscribe 2 3 channels of vocabulary and just pick up 2 words a day, and that words are not to be crammed. Just mention, just jot down them in your diary, right? In your diary, I'm just asking you to jot them down in the diary, because there will be a list, but they are not only to write down only on diary. Just what I used to do when I was the beginner, I used to have a blackboard. Size depends on you. It can be of this size, it can be of this size, it can be of this size. Your board, blackboard, whiteboard, that doesn't matter. I used to have, when I was fed up of learning, of cramming vocabulary words, but they were none of use. Then I tried one thing, and that was the crucial step in my vocabulary building. I used to write 2 sentences or 2 words or 1 word on that board, and that board was visible. That board was hang on a wall where I could see whenever I come across. It was at the area, it was in the area where I can see that board lots of time during the day. Drawing room, bedroom, wherever you find it suitable, right? So hang the blackboard over there and write 2 words with their meaning, right? Then after, what I used to do, whenever I came across Whenever I used to see my eyes watch that board, I used to try, I used to make one sentence. For example, if I come across that board, if I watch that board 10 times a day, 10 times a day, 12 times a day, 20 times a day, I will make as many sentences as I watch that board. Just look, just think about that thing, that you are learning a word. That word, whenever you will make a new sentence, that word will be logged in your permanent memory. And when it will be used, when it will be needed at the time of speaking, that word will definitely come out from your mind, on your mouth. There will be no need to memorize that word, that what should I use at this situation. That word itself will come out from your mouth. Because think about a word, and you are making 10 sentences, 20 sentences, 30 sentences on one word, then there is no possibility you will forget that word, right? So first step, pick subscribe one or two channel of only of vocabulary building. Then what should you do? You should pick up two words and write them in your diary. Why I'm asking you to write in the diary? Because they will be memorable in the diary. Daily you will write, because on board you will write only one time, and next day you will write another word, next to next day another words, but they will remain as a record in your diary, right? Then make sentences. You just try this trick, guys. Please, it's my humble request, try this technique, try this method. This will definitely help you. And you might be thinking that in your mind there must be a positive instinct when you are watching my video, and you are thinking that how good it would be for the building vocabulary to use, to learn the word and building many sentences. You can feel the positivity of this technique, and this is my trial, this is my experience. I used it a lot of time, and even now also. I don't say that I'm a very good speaker. I'm learning, as I have taken, because for last 4 years I'm at home. I was out of touch of speaking, and within these 4 years I'm out of touch, and my spoken gets got down, and now I sometimes I hesitate. That's why I'm asking you to use this technique. This helped me a lot. I have lots of words, I have lots of words to say, because when there are lots of words in your mind, there will be no short of words, and you will feel confident. When you don't feel confident, when you are short of words, when you are full of words, you will be full of confident, right? There is no other technique better than this technique. I myself have tried this, and it is my promise that if it will not work, then write me in the comment that you are wrong. Because whatever I tell on my channel, it is everything is used. I don't tell anything which I have not tried. I always tell you whatever I have tried, and whatever have, not only whatever I have tried, the thing which have helped me. They helped me a lot. For example, you find a word diligent. It means a person who is very hardworking. Just write that word diligent, and you know the meaning, that someone who is very hardworking. Then whenever you see that word, then make you are a diligent person. The next time, I'm very diligent. The next time, we should always be diligent. Then next time is not very diligent. Then next time, diligent, we should be diligent, and diligence is a very good habit. A diligent person is always respected. A diligent person can never be failed in anything. It is the diligence of our nature which encourages us to work harder. If you will make lots of sentence on one word, then that word will never go away. That word will stick to your memory, stick to your tongue, stick to your mind, stick to your language. So try this technique, right? So this was all about today, and 6th day it was vocabulary building day. And if you want me to explain any other thing, that how did you if you want to know anything, you can ask me in the comment section. If you want to ask what have you done, what is your journey, what vocabulary building, grammar, any topic of grammar, if you want me to explain anything, you can ask me, because I love to explain whatever the people love, whatever the people like, and it will improve me, because I am here to improve my spoken, and with me you will definitely improve your spoken also. Because when we see someone improving, when we see someone growing, when we see someone getting height of success, we get inspired. And I'm not taking any take or retake, I'm just visible whatever I'm speaking. If my accent is not very good, I don't care, because I'm here just to tell my real journey. I started from real life English. So I just want to be real only. And I'm working hard on my accent. I just also want to improve my accent. Right? So if you like something, if you don't like something, you can ask me in the comment section. I will love to reply, and I will love to improve. If you find me that if you are also welcome to finding out my mistakes. I would love to work on my mistakes, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Wait, I always say this one, catch you in the next video, twice or thrice, because whenever I am about to close, I just have something in my mind to tell you, right? So let's get finished. No, it's a wrong word, wrong sentence. So let's finish this video here, and we will talk on another topic, on another vocabulary building, on another improving technology techniques, methods. So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and have a smile on your face.